Welcome back to Tonghack's channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube intro easily only using Capcut. First of all, you need to go to Capcut and then click template on the bottom of your screen, second icon from the left. That's where you can explore many templates made from other users. And then you can click on search over here and type the keyword to the template that you want to see. For example, type YouTube intro. Okay, and then click here, and then you can search for any templates that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and then if you're interested, you can click on use template. All right, here you have to choose the video or an image which should be 8 seconds long. So you can choose any video or photos that meets the requirement to the template and then click preview. Alright, and then you can edit the text over here. Click here and then click here and then edit the text. For example, I'm going to name the YouTube intro as Welcome to my channel. Okay, and then you're done. You can export it to your device. That's all. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know if you have any questions or do you have any thoughts. You can just drop it in the comment. Thank you.